Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to check your Facebook watch video history so you can easily find the video you are already watched. Watch till the end and do not forget like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips. First of all, you open the Facebook app and then here you click the side three-line option. Then click the profile and then click here the three-dot option. Here you can see the three-dot option, so click on it. After click it, here you can see the activity log option, so click on it. So here you can see the videos watched option, so click on it, videos watched. After click it, here you can see the Facebook videos watch history. So this is the first method and I will show you the second method. So click on the here you can see the second option, TV option, so click on this option. After click it, here you can see this option, so click on it. Then here you can see the history option, so click on it. Here you can see the Facebook videos watch history. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips.